AstroLift is my new favorite. 2 days of natural, touchable, clinically proven volume powered by biotech. What I love about it the most that it's a very lightweight. It dries quickly and it gives that beautiful volume without feeling of any stickiness. AstroLift, it's very easy to use for pro stylists at the salon. Wash the hair, towel dry. This is where I recommend the K18 repair service, and then you can use AstroLift. Shake the bottle, hold it 4 to 6 inches from the hair and spray it on the roots and on the length. Blow dry it, and then you can use it again when the hair is completely dry. As for clients to take home, I would advise them to use it the same way. And don't forget, you can use it on dry or wet hair with or without heat styling. Since I am a silver hair specialist, when there is no color in the hair, sometimes silver hair feels flat. So this is where I recommend AstroLift to my silver hair clients. At the same time, I recommend it to my colored hair clients, especially if they have any chemical damages. K18 peptide reverse damage that impacts fine, fragile, and aging hair. And you can get 2.5 times more all-over volume with AstroLift. Get lifted